Kawake putting the faces together, the Drua, as they look to steal this one. Atet. Reds will have to be careful with their discipline as well.
Use it.
Basalala. Kawake. Fraser McWright.
Thank you. Knees first.
Canavani steals a metre or two.
Their ball is out, yes.
Matui Salia. Silla. Oh, and yep. It's that man again. He did it in Brisbane a few years ago, stealing a line out at the death. Seru Uru, and now he's got a steal. Still plenty of time, but oh yes, they're very happy on the bench, the Reds.
Oh, they were very happy on the field as well with Seru Uru's efforts to be able to win a penalty for his team. You just see the body language of the Reds players. Just taking a breather, taking a knee.
His mum, Unasi Nangeri, is in the crowd. A lot of his extended family from the Lototo region is here as well.
Just that urgency. It felt like the Drua were just getting tired out, and the Reds' defence line was just strong.
Sit on them.
Oh, you'd be asking the question with the ref here, just how long are they taking with the Reds to try and get into the line out?
We'll do the same. Let's go.
Ryan Smith in no hurry. Max Craig, try on Super Rugby Pacific debut. Will throw into this line out. The Reds looking to make it third time lucky in Suva. They can't control that line out, so it's still there for the Fijian Drua. It's only going to take one missed tackle. Okuro, he kicks long. Teniela to Okuro, who wants it? It's been picked up by Smoke and Joe Tamani, and the Drua are on the charge. They go wide. It's about 4 on 2. They don't deliver. They take the direct route, and it's still there for the Drua. The Reds desperate to hold on for their first ever win on Fiji soil. It spits out, but no, it's a penalty. And he's going to go to the pocket. The Reds are going to be down a man for the last minute or so.
Clearly formed. Just,
oh, this is exactly what you want to see. Every single Drua fan up on their feet.
Okay, wait,
we have a grandstand finish here.
No, he's got to leave.
What a finish in Suva we are in for. 33-29.
Okay, time on.
Reds leading the Drua. Both teams desperate. Fraser McWright got the yellow card. So it's now or never for the Drua. Canavani, 4 out. Uru steals it, but then it goes loose. And it's been picked up by the Drua. They're over! They've scored the winner. The Fijian Drua have scored. It was mayhem in the end.
Who has come up with it?
The crowd telling the story. And they've got the match winner. The Fijian Drua, bodies all over the place.
So Glenn, you're going to have to speak really loudly, mate.
Have another look here. So Davida and Canavani, there's a steal from Uru, picked up by Rabitu, and they drive in behind the replacement.
Okay, Glenn, do we need more time?
Isikeli Rabitu
20 seconds, all clear, 20 seconds.
Gets it down. Try to the
10
Drua.
seconds, it's going to be full time.
And heartbreak for the Queensland Reds again. Drop goal attempt from Armstrong Ravula, and he's got it.
What a finish for the Fijian Drua. Just Rabitu, how good was he when he came on to be able to score that try?
Rabitu, when he got that ball, it was just all or nothing. And he's gone over there, unlucky there, Seru Uru there, dropped the ball.